This is Black Hawk 1. We are hit. Black Hawk down. We got a Black Hawk down. Ah!
Hello down there, old bean. How are you there? Fancy a cup of chai today? Oh, yes, very good. Oh, yes, very good. Yes, old bean. Yes. Hello down there. Oh, look to see. Oh, yes. Oh no, Philip, we've been shot. No!
Philip, Fred, where are you? Your missus is looking for you. Your tea is ready. There's a cup of tea at the counter. Where have you gone? Hello down there. Could you tell me where Philip is? If you see him, just let me know. I'll go over here and I'll look for him too. Hee. Silly bugger doesn't even know where we are. Haha. Oh, what's this? Oh, I've got his mug. Oh, don't throw that. Oh, crap, it's in the water. Oh, what are you going to tell him? Let's just run away. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, too fast. Oh, I'm losing control. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is it always us doing the end of the show? Why do we always have to set our plane on fire and fly in the sky? And what the people don't know is we have to crash into sea. Oh yes, man, I know what you mean. I know. It's awful, isn't it? Always making us do the hard work and do the end of the show on fire. What the hell, man? This is awful. This is outrage.